It's Wednesday, the 10th of May. Two friends of mine have birthdays today, so I wish them both. One, a roommate from college. She joined me in the 7th decade. She is not as happy about it as I was not unhappy about mine. But anyway, and the other one's a little bit older, but anyway, it's great. Two birthdays today, so I did remember. Do you ever do Smash Ups? I think I've told you about that before. Smash Ups, it's an app that you can get, and there's all these famous artists and singers, and there's cartoons, and there's all kinds of stuff, and you can fill in their name and whatever you want to say, and you send it to them, and it's a fun, funny, cute way to celebrate somebody's birthday with not a whole lot of effort. So anyway, it's not a free app. You have to pay annually, but it's kind of fun. So I'll send them a Smash Up. All right, we got a restock back in, and you know Malabrigo is one of our most favorites. And we got in Machida, which is their single ply fingering weight yarn. It is so soft, so delicious. It's gorgeous. And this is a relatively new color, I think, Pegaso. So it's this variegated blue tonal, so lovely. Love that. Can't go wrong with ochre, Frank ochre. Love that. It's almost too crazy with my sweater today. Natural. Love a natural. Love a natural. That would work well with anything. This is a relatively new color too, Pascal. It's a soft green, a tonal, but a very soft, good summer green, or fall, or not fall, spring, summer green. And then we always love Diana, which is just a lovely multi with multiple colors, close more into the pinks and the purples. The other multi I got in is a little brighter, but this has the pinks and the purples. English Rose, our most favorite, one of our more popular. Gorgeous rosy pinks, delicious. Here is the Arco Iris, which is brighter, more green, orange, a little more woodsy. There's a little bit of tonal pinky stuff in there, but more gold. Really beautiful. I love Arco Iris. This is Ravelry Red, which you cannot go wrong with. What? Woof, under the light, it almost glows. And last but not least, this is a beautiful one. It is Rosalinda. This is a new color as well. Pink, peach, lavender. Really, really pretty. Very soft and lovely. Machida, $24 a skein. It is 420 yards. So a great yarn all the way around. Absolutely beautiful. All right. Just want to cross the street, get a little coffee, pick me up. Anyway, we're open. They're out there gathering for Wednesday night social knitting, which is always fun. Glad to have them. I don't think I have anything else. I'm going to try and get a video out tomorrow. My husband and I are going up to the mountains for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to everyone here and listening and everywhere. We love being mothers, yes. And we all had wonderful mothers, I know. So that's coming up on Sunday. Owen has a t-ball game, which we have to watch him. He's very serious and loves it. Vivi has a music recital of some sort or program. And then I think we're going to the Outdoor Symphony on Saturday with Turner and her family. So that'll be fun. Just going to chill out on Friday and have some brunch on Sunday and come home. So it'll be a nice, quick kind of a turnaround, but a nice little weekend. So we haven't been to the mountains yet, so time to go. I don't think we went all winter, which is shocking. All right, enough about me. I'll see you hopefully tomorrow.